Hello, and welcome back to Learn English Slow. In this lesson, we will learn 12 new English words. We will go slowly. Please relax, you do not need to remember everything. Listen first, then repeat after me. Here are the 12 words for today. Now, just listen. Have, make, go, come, take, give, find, use, work, feel, need, want. Good. Now, let us look at some of the single words. Listen first, then you repeat after me. Have, have, make, make, go, go, come, come, take, take, give, give, find, find, use, use, work, work, feel, feel, need, need, want, want. Very good. Now let us gently join some of the words. Now listen first and then you repeat after me. I have, I have, I want, I want, I need, I need, I feel, I feel, I work, I work, I go, I go, I come, I come, I take, I take, I give, I give. Good. Now a little more. Listen carefully to this little story about the 12 words. I wake up. I go to work. I work. I use my hands. I take a break. I have some water. I feel calm. I come home. I give time to myself. I need rest. I want peace. Now, let us repeat some together. Listen and repeat after me. I go to work. I go to work. I feel calm. I feel calm. I need rest. I need rest. I want peace. I want peace. Very good. Okay, that is the end of lesson 5. You did very well. Please rest now. I'll see you very soon for more lessons. If you enjoyed this lesson, please share, like, and subscribe.